welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to cover the third data type, which is Boolean values. So what are Boolean values? In programming you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of the two answers, true or false. So Boolean values basically have two values, true and false. So let's check in code how we can get these Boolean values. So this is boolean demo.python file. So let's say I want to evaluate one of the condition. Let's say I want to check if 20 is greater than 10. Let me print that. Print. Let's say I want to print 20 is greater than 10. So I want to check that. Let's save this and run it. Let's check what output we get here. So see, we are getting here true because 20 is greater than 10. What if I pass it in colons? So it will be like a string, so it will not evaluate the expression, it will just print 20 is greater than 10. So see, it will print 20 is greater than 10. But in this video we want to check the boolean types. So let's say I copy this statement. Now if I reverse the condition, if 20 is less than 10 or 20 is equal to 10, so basically this equal is used to assign the value. Double equals is used to check if two values are equal or not. We will cover it in more details once we cover the Python operators. Let me run this. So see, the output for the first one is true because 20 is greater than 10. For the second case it is false because 20 is less than 10. For the third it is also false because 20 is not equals to 10. So this is the two values we get for the boolean one. There is also one function, bool function, which allows you to evaluate any value. So let me show you that also. We can also have variables here, like if I consider one variable x which will have 20 is less than 10, and if I print that variable x, so let me show you what output we will get. So see, we will get here false because 20 is not less than 10. If I print here 20 is greater than 10, so it will print true. See, now let's see the bool function. Let's say I want print. So this is the bool function. So here you can pass the arguments. Like say I want to say one string here, hi. So what output we will get for this? So see, we are getting here true. So for most of the cases we will get the value as true. There are certain cases where we will get the value as false for this bool function. Let me copy this. Let me show you more values here. Let's say I want some integer here. So if I take integer as 10, what if I take integer as 0? Let's save this, run it. So for the first case it is true, it has some string value high. For the second one it is also true because it has some value 10. For the third one it is false because it has 0 in it. So for the 0 integer it will give as false. Also, what if I remove this string here, and now if I try to run it, so in this case also it is false because we don't have any string here, it is empty string, so that's why it is printing as false. So in this case only this one is true. What if I convert here, if I print this to true, let's say, so this one, this is like a keyword in Python which is declared here. If you have capital T and all other in lowercase, it is true. But let's save it. So in this case the second one will be true and the first and third will be false because it has the boolean value as true. What if I have boolean value as false? So Similarly, f is capital and all other are small. These two are keywords in Python which are pre-declared. Let's save this. So in this case all the three will be false. So see, so this is the use of bool function which is used to evaluate any expression here. So in this way you can make use of it. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.